Hi guys, welcome to another one of my tutorials. This time I am sharing with you my holographic radial stamping tutorial. So first up for the gradient is a white base coat. I use Barium Cosmetics cotton polish. Then with the Beauty Big Bangs liquid latex, I apply it around the cuticle and my finger. As you know, with a gradient, it can get quite messy. So for the radial gradient, I use the Beauty Big Bangs holographic nail polishes. I use the red, the pink and the Blurple. So onto your makeup sponge, add a dot for your first colour, as that is the centre point of your radial gradient. Then with your second colour, go around your first colour, and then your third polish, as you may have guessed, goes around that polish. Almost looks like a bullseye. Once you've done this, you will need to make sure you line it up with the centre of your nail and then dab onto the nail. We then do this quite a few times just to give it a good application. I do like my nail polish to look quite bold. So again, apply it to the nail like so, and then with the Born Pretty Amazon plate that I was sent to review and the Beauty Big Bangs black stamping polish, I applied that to the stamping plate, wipe off the polish and transfer the image onto the stamper, apply to the nail, peel off your liquid latex. I know most people change the liquid latex between the gradient and the stamping, but I'm so lazy, so I do apologise if it looks messy. So now I've gone in with a brush and some nail polish remover just to give my cuticles a quick clean up for any of the nail polish that was left over. And then with the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, I apply and finish the design. Don't forget guys, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.